Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Here's how to use your LEVOIT Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Connect the power adapter to the base and remove the nozzle and nozzle cap from the water tank. Flip over the water tank and fill it with cool distilled water. Remember not to use hot water and do not add essential oils to the humidifier. Plug in the adapter and turn the mist level dial to your preferred setting. You can rotate the nozzle to adjust the direction of the mist. If there is no water in the tank, the humidifier will not turn on and the power button will light up red. Refill the water tank to use your humidifier. If mist is low or doesn't come out, there may be too much water in the base. Remove the water tank and empty the base chamber. Fill the water tank and place it back on the base. Your Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is set up and ready to go. Enjoy!
To get the most out of your Vicks Mini Filter-Free Cool Mist Humidifier, follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface at least 12 inches from the wall. To fill the water tank, remove the tank from its base using the handle. Turn the arrow towards the open lock symbol to remove the cap and fill the tank with cool water. Make sure that the black cap seal is on and secure the cap by twisting it firmly into the lock position. Set the tank back on the base. Be sure your humidifier is turned off before plugging it in. Then turn the power knob to the highest setting and let it run until a comfortable humidity level has been reached. Once reached, turn the control knob to a lower setting. Your ideal humidity level should be between 40 and 60%. Be sure to direct the mist output away from any walls, furniture, or bedding. To use Vicks VapoPads, open the scent pad door. Insert the VapoPad and then shut the door for hours of soothing menthol vapors.
The Eva-Dry E333 is a compact, quiet, cord-free unit that can be placed in small closets, under sinks, and in compact storage areas up to 333 cubic feet throughout the home. It is spill-proof in addition to being child and pet safe. It traps the excess moisture from the area into small silica gel beads. Once the unit is full, simply plug it into an outlet to renew and use again. Eva-Dry. Damp in, dry out.